One of the most questions we get asked by homeowners when they want to sell their home is how much you offer me for the home. And my answer is always the same. I have to ask you a few questions about the main components of the house for me to be able to evaluate the cost of the repairs. Usually the main components like the roof, HVAC, electric, plumbing, because those are heavy items that cost a lot to renovate, a lot of money to renovate, so we need to evaluate those items. Hi, this is Kamal with the Quality Properties. We just bought this home. I'm gonna flip for you guys to see. As you see, this home needs a lot of repairs, needs floors, doors. We got some mold, sheetrock mold from roof. We need some roof. It has leaked, so we have some mold here. It needs a full kitchen update. HVAC system is not working, so we need to put a new unit. Need a full bathroom update. Interior paint, exterior paint, cleaning, and things like that. Let me flip the camera. Second question we get asked is, am I paying anything for repairs before closing? No, we buy houses in as is, meaning you don't have to fix, clean, repair, anything. We just buy it in its condition, and you don't have to pay anything before closing, or even after closing. We pay for all closing costs. So the only thing you will be paying probably the tax proration for the year. It's up to the date that you sold that property for that year, and that's it. Anything else is paid for by us. Third question we get asked, how would I get my money? Well, the way it works, we wire the money to the title company to distribute the money to the seller, and the seller would have two options, either to get a check or to get the money wired to their bank account. The difference is, I always recommend people to get a wire money deposit to their account, because they get access to the money immediately, where when it hit their bank account, where your bank will hold the check for about a week to 10 days until the check clears. So these are the three main questions we get asked by homeowners. We are looking for more houses to buy like this that needs repairs. So if you have any house that you are looking to sell, you're interested in selling, reach out to me. This is Kamal with Quality Properties of Northwest Florida. My direct number is 850-346-4995, or you can log in to our website at qualitypropertiescashbuyer.com. Looking forward to speaking with you. Thank you. Have a good day.